Hello, my name is Patrick and welcome to my course. I've been painting watercolour now for the last 35 years and I'd now like to take this opportunity to invite you on a journey of discovery with me in watercolour.
Now we've got a bit of a reflection in the sand because the sand we're going to be painting is going to be wet, so we just sketch in our reflection. Come down there and across here. We're just going to roughly put that in.
Thank you for taking the time to watch my short intro video. Now, if you're ready to loosen up, sign up today and join me in my class. The topics covered will be materials, drawing boats, painting clouds, wet sand, seeing waves, sailing boats and the all-important foreground, all covered in detail. There'll be PDF downloads and reference images available, and you have as long as you like to complete the course. Once purchased, you can visit as many times as you like. So enroll today and take this opportunity to improve your watercolour skills. Bye for now.